For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a blog has never been easier or more profitable, thanks to the rise of artificial intelligence. With the right tools and strategies, you can launch a blog, grow your audience, and monetize your content even as a beginner. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start a blog and make money with the help of AI. Step 1. Choose your niche using AI. Why it matters. Picking the right niche is the foundation of a successful blog. A well-defined niche helps you attract a targeted audience and build authority. Use AI to help. Use ChatGPT or tools like Copy.ai to brainstorm blog niche ideas based on your interests, trends, and monetization potential. Try Google Trends or exploding topics to analyze what's currently hot and growing. Ask ChatGPT, what are low-competition, high-demand blog niches in 2025? Pro tip, focus on a niche you're passionate about that also has commercial potential, e.g. health, finance, travel, AI tools, productivity, or side hustles. Step 2. Choose a blog name and buy a domain. Why it matters. A catchy, relevant blog name makes a lasting impression and is essential for branding. Use AI to help. Ask ChatGPT, give me 10 unique blog name ideas for a blog about your niche. Use Namelix or BrandBucket, AI-powered name generators, to find creative names. Check domain availability with sites like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domains. Pro tip, choose a short, memorable.com domain that reflects your niche. Step 3. Set up your blog website. Why it matters. Your blog must be hosted on a reliable platform with a professional look to gain credibility. Use AI to help. Use AI website builders like Wix ADI, Hostinger AI Builder, or Durable SEO to automatically generate a full blog layout based on your niche. Alternatively, use WordPress with a hosting provider like Bluehost or SiteGround and ask ChatGPT, what WordPress plugins do I need for SEO, speed, and security? Pro tip, start with a clean theme like Astra or GeneratePress and optimize for mobile responsiveness. Step 4. Generate high-quality blog content with AI. Why it matters. Content is king. You need engaging, valuable blog posts to attract and retain readers. Use AI to help. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to draft blog posts. Example prompt. Write a 1,500-word SEO-optimized blog post about how to save money on groceries with catchy headings and practical tips. Use Surfer SEO or Phrase.io to optimize content for search engines. Ask ChatGPT to generate content calendars. Create a 30-day blog post schedule for a travel blog. Pro tip, always review and personalize AI-generated content to add your unique voice and credibility. Step 5. Design logos and graphics using AI tools. Why it matters. Strong visuals increase time on site and boost engagement. Use AI to help. Use Canva with AI-powered templates to create featured images, infographics, and social posts. Use Loca or Logomaker to design a professional blog logo using AI. Use Remove.bg to quickly remove backgrounds from images or Runway ML to enhance them. Pro tip, keep visuals consistent with your brand colors and niche theme. Step 6. Optimize your blog for SEO using AI. Why it matters. SEO, search engine optimization, ensures your blog shows up in Google results and drives free traffic. Use AI to help. Use ChatGPT to create SEO titles and meta descriptions. Write an SEO title and meta description for a blog post about how to make money online. Use NeuronWriter, Rank Math, or Surfer SEO to get keyword suggestions, content structure, and internal linking tips. Ask ChatGPT to list keywords for a blog post, or a long-tail keyword for a blog about healthy eating. Pro tip, target low competition, long-tail keywords when starting out to rank faster. Step 7. Promote your blog using AI-enhanced marketing. Why it matters. Even great content won't succeed if nobody sees it. Use AI to help. Use ChatGPT to write email newsletters, social media captions, and ad copy. Use Buffer, Hootsuite, or Okoya AI plus scheduling to automate and optimize social media sharing. Use Phrasee to generate high-converting email subject lines. Ask ChatGPT, give me a 7-day launch marketing plan for a new blog in the personal finance niche. Pro tip, focus on one platform, e.g., Pinterest for DIY blogs, Twitter for tech blogs, and master it before expanding. Step 8. Build an email list with AI tools. Why it matters. Email subscribers are your most valuable audience for future sales. Use AI to help. Use ConvertKit or MailerLite to set up AI-powered email automation and sign-up forms. Ask ChatGPT to generate lead magnet ideas. Give me 5 lead magnet ideas for a blog about time management. Use AI to write welcome sequences and newsletter content. Pro tip, offer something valuable like a checklist, mini course, or ebook to get subscribers. Step 9. Monetize your blog using AI insights. Why it matters. Making money from your blog is the end goal for most bloggers. Use AI to help. Affiliate marketing. Use ChatGPT to find affiliate programs. What are the best affiliate programs for tech bloggers? Ad revenue. Apply for Google AdSense, Ezoic, or Mediavine once you have consistent traffic. Sponsored posts. Use AI to write outreach emails. Write a pitch email to a brand for a sponsored blog post. Digital products. Use AI to help you create ebooks, courses, or printables. Freelance services. Monetize by offering services like writing, design, or consulting related to your blog niche. Pro tip, combine 2 to 3 monetization methods for maximum income diversity. Step 10. Track, improve, and scale. Why it matters. Successful bloggers continuously test and scale what works. Use AI to help. Use Google Analytics and Hotjar with AI insights to understand user behavior. Use ChatGPT to interpret metrics. What should I improve if my bounce rate is high but time on page is low? Use Growth Bar to monitor keyword rankings and SEO performance. A/B test titles, CTAs, and headlines with AI copywriting tools like Copy.ai or AnyWord. Pro tip, review analytics weekly and create monthly growth plans using AI-generated suggestions. Final thoughts. With AI tools at your side, starting a blog and making money is faster, easier, and more scalable than ever before. The key is to treat your blog like a real business. Pick a profitable niche, publish high-value content consistently, build an audience, and use AI to automate and optimize every step of the way. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a professional writer. You just need to leverage AI smartly and take action. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.